Hello, viewers. Welcome to the Grade 3 Math Challenge. Are you ready to test your addition skills? What is 12 plus 5? The answer is 17. What is 23 plus 8? The answer is 31. What is 34 plus 6? The answer is 40. What is 45 plus 9? The answer is 50 plus 10. What is 50 plus 10? The answer is 60. What is 67 plus 13? The answer is 80. What is 74 plus 26? The answer is 100. What is 85 plus 15? The answer is 100. What is 92 plus 7? The answer is 99. What is 100 plus 25? The answer is 125. What is 14 plus 9? The answer is 23. What is 29 plus 16? The answer is 45. What is 33 plus 19? The answer is 52. What is 41 plus 7? The answer is 48. What is 55 plus 22? The answer is 77. What is 66 plus 18? The answer is 84. What is 77 plus 23? The answer is 100. What is 88 plus 14? The answer is 102. What is 96 plus 5? The answer is 101. What is 110 plus 20? The answer is 130. What is 13 plus 7? The answer is 20. What is 26 plus 13? The answer is 39. What is 39 plus 11? The answer is 50. What is 48 plus 12? The answer is 60. What is 52 plus 29? The answer is 81. What is 63 plus 27? The answer is 90. What is 72 plus 15? The answer is 87. What is 85 plus 9? The answer is 94. What is 90 plus 11? The answer is 101. What is 105 plus 30? The answer is 135. What is 18 plus 6? The answer is 24. What is 27 plus 14? The answer is 41. What is 35 plus 19? The answer is 54. What is 49 plus 8? The answer is 57. What is 58 plus 21? The answer is 79. What is 64 plus 17? The answer is 81. What is 79 plus 13? The answer is 92. What is 83 plus 16? The answer is 99. What is 94 plus 9? The answer is 103. What is 111 plus 15? The answer is 126. What is 21 plus 9? The answer is 30. What is 38 plus 14? The answer is 52. What is 47 plus 13? The answer is 60. What is 53 plus 22? The answer is 75. What is 69 plus 18? The answer is 87. What is 75 plus 24? The answer is 99. What is 82 plus 11? The answer is 93. What is 98 plus 7? The answer is 105. What is 115 plus 20? The answer is 135. What is 120 plus 15? The answer is 135.